Unsa ining good riddance?
Good riddance.
Good riddance.
Good riddance, George.
Good riddance is an expression people use when they are happy or relieved that someone or something unwanted, unpleasant, or troublesome is gone. Na siya negative tone kay nagaingon man gud ka ani og ay salamat nawala na di na ko gusto mobalik pa to. It's often used with a sarcastic or dismissive feeling. Maayo kay nawala na. Maayo kay nawala na siya. Salamat kay wala na. Salamat kay wala na siya.
Good riddance.
This expression is a feeling of gladness that an unwanted presence or thing is finally gone. That lazy employee finally resigned. Good thing he is gone. Good riddance. Niresign na gyutong tapulan ng empleyado. Maayo kay wala na siya. Good riddance.
Everything's better since he left. Good riddance.
Sa Tagalog ug Bisaya, pwede ra nato dili isumpay ang good riddance nga expression kay wala man gud ni siya direkta nga translation sa atong lengguwahe. Miuli ra gyud ang bisita nga walay modo. Maayo ra. That rude visitor finally went home. Good riddance.